friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I'm so pumped for this video because I'm gonna be playing with Angelica's new collab with Oden's Eye. This is such a beautiful collaboration, not even just about what's on the inside, but just the collaborator and the brand. Match made in heaven. I am so excited to dive into this. This is the Hela palette. I am so stoked for Angelica. She is just making waves in this industry. She's doing such beautiful things. This is her second collaboration and I am so excited for her. She deserves the world and I cannot wait to just play with this palette so much with you guys. This video is kind of pre-filmed. I'm filming this before it's even been announced, so I don't know the launch details off the top of my head, so I will have all of that down below, as well as Angelica's reveal video because it hasn't even come out yet, but I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. I cannot wait to see what she says and talking about her inspiration and all of that good stuff. In this video today, I'm creating the look that you see right here. I'm gonna do a close-up of the palette, swatches, all that good stuff. I do plan on doing a 2 looks video very soon, and I do also plan on doing an Instagram video / TikTok, so lots of videos are coming your way. I'm so pumped. Affiliate codes are not applicable to her collab, but you can use my code battybean if you're shopping for additional things on the site while you're picking it up. Let me just give you my accessory details really quick. My earrings today are Spooky Doodle Club on Etsy, Neff brand beanie. I think that's all I really got for you. Let's just move on, jump in, do some close-ups and swatches and all that good stuff. The packaging on this is absolutely stunning. Hela is the goddess of death, and this is just absolutely stunning artwork. Potentially my favorite artwork I've ever seen Oden's Eye do, actually. I just vibe with this theme so much. Let's look at the inside. My breath was stolen when I first opened this, because again, I got this early, so it hasn't even been posted yet, so it was like a true first impression reveal for me when I first opened this out of my mailbox. I actually included that in my vlog, which will be up soon after this video, so that's coming as well. It is beautiful. We have 16 beautiful shades, grungy greens, yellowy tones, lovely pinks, lots of depth in here. I love this. I say this in the tutorial as I'm playing with it later, but I think I like this even more than her Kaleidos one. This color story screams to my soul. I am obsessed with it. It is so beautiful. So many mattes, so many beautiful shimmers and multi-chromes and just delicious transformative shades. I'm so pumped about this palette. She did such an amazing job. Angelica, congratulations. I cannot say it enough. I'm so happy for you and I cannot wait to keep playing with this. I'm so inspired by it. So yeah, that is the palette. Let's just go ahead, hop into the tutorial, and I'll give you my thoughts so far at the end, but spoiler alert, I'm so obsessed already. Hello, my friends. I'm so excited to dive into this palette. I'm so stoked. Oden's Eye is usually really good about sending packages a little bit early so that we have a chance to play with the product and like get content out like early for you guys. So I'm really excited. This hasn't even been announced yet at this moment that I'm filming this, and I'm so excited to just go ahead and get my video filmed so that it's ready to go whenever the announcement happens. I'm so stoked for Angelica. I've probably already gushed about this in the intro, so let's just get on to playing with the palette itself. I did want to start by saying I did use double-sided here as my face highlights. It's very pretty, just very glowy and shifty and wonderful. I'm gonna get to priming. I'm gonna use my Hydro Grip Eye Primer, which is hilarious because I'm fairly certain Angelica hates this. I saw someone a long time ago leave a comment on one of my videos raving about this, and they were like, on a scale of Angelica to Betty Jean, how much do you love or hate this eye primer? Oh, I love it. I think it's so good. And this palette is so pretty. I think I may even like this color story more than her Kaleidos one. It's just stunning. I want to start with this beautiful green. I'm going to use my Blend Bunny B3 brush, and I'm just going to start tippy-tapping it in the outer corner of the eye. And I'm also going to smudge it on the lower lash line. So I want it very smoky down here. I'm gonna leave the inner part of my crease blank though, because I want to play with some pinks in the front today. I have so many ideas swirling around in my brain with this palette. I'm so excited. I was so pumped walking to pick it up when it got delivered, because again, I had no clue what it looked like. I just knew it was coming. I knew it existed. I knew the collab was happening. But I did not know what it looked like, so I was so stoked to see what it was gonna be. So now that that's laid down, I wanna take this beautiful grungy goodness Underworld. I'm gonna take that on my Blend Bunny B5 brush, and I'm basically just gonna use this to help blend out that first shade that I laid down. So I'm just gonna very softly just start blending around the edges just to soften it up a bit. All the way along my lower lash line, outer corner. Again, not really taking it through the inner part of my crease. And I am cool if this wings out a little bit. I like a blown out, winged out kind of situation. These are blending like butter, as to be expected with Oden's eyeshadows. Oh, I am loving these colors. It's so pretty. Okay, now I want to take Goddess, this lovely pink right there. I'm going to use my Blend Bunny B4 brush for this, and I just want a little pop of pink in the front. Let me move my annoyingly long bangs out of the way. Just want a cute little pop of pink in the front. I am going to drag it up pretty high towards my brow, especially because I am doing a half cut crease today, so I want to make sure this pink has plenty of room to shine and show. Oh, that color is gorgeous. I'm actually just gonna wipe off my B5 brush so that it's clean, and I'm gonna take that light pink that's in the palette as well, just to help buff and blend the edges a little bit more. Okay, moving on to the lid, I'm going to use my NYX Glitter Primer because I use it with every shimmer ever. I'm gonna take my Spectrum A16 brush, just get a little bloop of that on there, and I'm just going to smear it across my lid, and then I'm just gonna kind of pretend to cut my crease just so I have a nice, precise area to work with, a nice sticky base. For my eye shape, I personally go right above my natural crease and just follow my eyeball's roundness. So basically for my lid, I want to initially cut it with fluorescence, and I want to have it fade down into River. I think it's going to be a very unique combination of colors. I think fluorescence being more over here is going to complement this area nicely. I'm just really excited. So I'm going to take fluorescence on that same sticky brush, just like this. The shade is very pigmented, and I'm just going to start popping it right up against where I made that cut. Look at how brilliant that color is. Holy cow. That is incredible. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. So basically I'm just going to kind of fill in the first third of the eye right here. Well, maybe first half towards the bottom. Kind of like that. And then I'm basically just gonna continue filling in this upper diagonal right here so that it's tapered towards the top, but nice and full towards here. So it looks kind of like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna take River down here. I'm gonna take that on this more dense brush. This is a Game Beauty E04, just so I can really pack it in that lower corner really nicely. Just gonna load her up. This shade is so sparkly. And this is basically just gonna go everywhere that fluorescent shade did not go. Oh, this color is good. This color is really, really good. So just again, that pretend diagonal line, I'm just filling in that lower area, and it's feathering into my greens in the outer corner, and I'm just kind of lightly smushing and melting the two colors on the lid together. Oh, it is gorgeous. And I'm just gonna take my little brush that I initially put the dark green matte on with, no additional product, and I'm just very lightly scooting just so there's a nice flow from matte to shimmer. Can you tell just how wet looking that is? It is incredible. I love that. Okay, getting close to the end. Now I want to take Venom, that beautiful green. I'm actually just gonna wipe off the brush that I used with the dark green matte before, my Blend Bunny B3, and I'm gonna swirl my brush in that. Picked up a little too much. And I'm just going to smush this in the front part of my lower lash line because I love a lower lash line shimmer. I think that is so pretty. I think that was such a good decision. That just brightened everything up even more than it already was. And last but not least, I'm gonna take double-sided, which again, I did use as my face highlight. I'm just gonna use this as my inner corner highlight as well because it's very cute and very bright. And I love it. So that is it. I'm going to just finish up this look. I'm gonna throw on my lashes and eye pencil and something on my lips, and I will be back when I'm complete. Okay, this is the look complete. I love it. I think it's so pretty and so fun and vibrant and amazing, and my eyes are so twinkly and wet looking, and I love it. The eye pencil I threw in is Chartreuse Flash from NYX. I thought it would go with that lid super nicely. My lashes are Anxious Angel from Likely Makeup, and on my lips I went with the Heaven Fresh Kiss Lip Cream from Colourpop. I thought it was the perfect pink because it went with that inner corner so well. So yeah, let's zoom out and I will give you my thoughts so far. So this was my look playing with the new Angelica in Oden's Eye palette. I'm so excited. I played with a lot of shades today. How many shades did I even play with? I guess I played with 3 of the mattes, and we played with 3 of the shimmers? 4 of the shimmers, actually. So we played with almost half of it. I am so obsessed. There are so many beautiful colors in here. I'm so inspired to keep playing with it. I feel like there's a lot you can do with this palette. You can do so many variations of colors. I'm just so pumped to play with this some more. I would love to hear your thoughts. Do you plan on picking picking this palette up? Have you tried Oden's Eye before? Did you snag Angelica's first collab with Kaleidos? I would just love to hear from you down below. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me emojis relating to death, since Hela is the goddess of death. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I post most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.